of innovation, technology, including AI and blockchain. This is the CSharpCorner Daily Tech Updates. I'm Amber, bringing you the latest stories shaping the future of technology from New York City. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the United States will die without secure elections, while supporting the proposed SAVE Act. The bill aims to require proof of U.S. citizenship for voter registration in federal elections. Supporters say it protects election integrity, while critics warn it may restrict voter access. Musk's comment has sparked fresh political debate online. The European Space Agency has launched its zero-debris charter to clean Earth's orbit by 2030. With satellite numbers expected to cross 40,000, ESA warns that space debris poses serious risks to communications and navigation. The plan focuses on preventing debris, improving tracking, and safer satellite disposal. Experts say action in the next 2 years is critical. Editors have selected the top laptops unveiled at CES 2026, highlighting major gains in battery life, AI performance, and repairability. Standout models include Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon Aura, Asus ZenBook A16, Alienware Area 51 OLED, and MSI Stealth 16 AI+. AI-first silicon and smarter designs dominated this year's picks. OpenAI has rolled out ChatGPT Go globally, priced at $8 per month in the US. The plan offers expanded access to GPT 5.2 Instant with more messages, uploads, and image creation than the free tier. ChatGPT Go now sits alongside Plus and Pro plans. OpenAI says ads may soon appear in free and Go tiers to keep AI affordable. Elon Musk is seeking between $79 billion and $134 billion in damages from OpenAI and Microsoft. He claims OpenAI abandoned its non-profit mission after he co-founded the company with a $38 million investment. OpenAI has dismissed the lawsuit as harassment. The case is set to go to trial in April. And that's all from today's edition of the Tech News Roundup. For more daily tech updates, follow CSharpCorner on social media or visit csharpcorner.news.